So I'm gonna take this bolt off, and I'm gonna hold that with that the Allen wrench. All right, this is a 13 and an 18. So we'll start this right here. That's the bottom one now. Yep. I need one of them so I can press on the press that caliper. This right here to make it go in. It's always good to press with the old one. So I'm gonna use the old brake caliper. Drop it in. Huh? And then from there we just remove it off. Just set it up there. You don't want that brake line to drag or dangle, yeah. And you're just gonna move these out the way. These look good. They look good and thick. Oh, that other side. Yeah, right here.